On-demand convenience platform Swiggy on Friday said it has entered into a definitive agreement with Times Internet to acquire dining out and restaurant tech platform Dineout for an undisclosed sum. According to a media report, the deal values Dineout at $200 million and it's an all-equity deal. Dineout, which serves diners across its network of 50,000 restaurants in 20 cities, will continue to operate as an independent app post the acquisition, Swiggy said in a statement. Founders of Dineout, Ankit Mehrotra, Nikhil Bakshi, Sahil Jain and Vivek Kapoor will join Swiggy once the acquisition is completed. Swiggy CEO Sriharsha Majeti said the acquisition will allow Swiggy to explore synergies and offer new experiences in a high-use category. Stating that Dineout has created a positive impact for consumers and restaurants, Times Internet Vice Chairman Satyan Gajwani said the combination of Swiggy and Dineout is a powerful one.